Hey you guys, your girl Beauty with Mika. So yes, your girl did jump on the Coach Tabby handbag. As you guys know, I love handbags, and of course I was like, let me go in store, let me check this out, let me see what is going on with this bag, because it is being a must-have for all of my handbag lovers in the YouTube community. And I went in store. Now I will tell you guys, this handbag comes in so many different colors, but I really was like, I need to justify why am I going to be spending almost $500 for this bag. Coach's quality has stepped up. I don't know what they did. Whoever's on board, they have been bringing it back old school with the handbag selections, and I am here for it. I'm loving it because it's keeping me out of Louis Vuitton too. So here's the bag. I put it in its dust cover. You guys know I'm a big stickler for making sure that you're spending good quality, all your hard-earned money. Not good quality, but you're getting a good quality handbag. You need to make sure you have a dust cover. And 99% of the time, I always make sure I get my bags with the dust cover. If it doesn't come with the dust cover, Poshmark, Mercari, easily $10-15 to get you a dust cover, but you should always have a dust cover. So here's the bag in itself. Now I will say I purchased mine at Macy's. I do not honestly recommend ordering on Macy's.com for your handbags unless you go in store and actually can get a new handbag. This is, and I'm trying to open it, this is the third handbag that I actually had to go back and forth with Macy's on, and you know, after the third time I made sure I got some coins off my order, because why? I spent $500 for a bag, and each bag I received from Macy's was damaged, so I was not pleased. I always have a good experience with other competitors, but Macy's I will never order from online unless I can get this bag in store. This bag has been sold out, especially in this color that I want. So as you guys can see, I actually purchased it in the black. This is how it comes. I did not decide, and I know the white is a very popular one. Actually, the white, it does transfer. I've heard that. If you follow Happy Stylish Mommy, she did purchase the white and they gave her a leather cleaning. I was a little hesitant about purchasing the white because I didn't want any transfer with my bag. So I purchased the black. I went on and just was like, let me do a classic, cute black bag. It has the gold embellished in the gold detail on it. This is what it looks like. Now I will be ordering, which I've taken the advice from a lot of people that I've seen do bag reviews. I like that you can change your actual shoulder part of this bag. So I will be ordering off Amazon. I'll post links to the Amazon shoulder bag links if you're interested, just to zhuzh it up. So I could add pearls to this. I could do a gold, straight up gold chain with this. But I do love that. So this is what the bag looks like. I did purchase it. Now I will say, when I got my bags, after this third one, I completely assessed the bag. Like, I inspected, I make sure it has no scratches, no tears, no wears or anything. So this one was good. Third time a charm. This is what the interior looks like. It does feel like a pillow, and you get your crossbody. So it does come with the crossbody. So I did get to go ahead and got the crossbody with it. And then this is what the interior looks like. So you guys know I will give you guys mod shots. This is going to be one of those clutches that I like to wear if I'm going out. I could use it as a crossbody, that type of thing. It won't be an everyday wear for me. I noticed that some people are using it for everyday wear, but honestly, it's not an everyday bag for me. This is more in a date night out or going out with my girls type of look. So overall, am I pleased with the bag? Yes, I'm actually happy I got it. I was able to go, you deserve it. So yeah, I got caught up with the Coach Tabby handbag. Not much to review. I'll go and include some mod shots after this so you guys can see it. But yes, I did get caught up. Do I plan to purchase another one? Unless they come out with a different color or something. I've went in store and I've seen the green, the pink, the green, the pink, and the white. To be honest with you guys, they were all cute and everything, but I decided to just stick with the black because I was afraid of the transfer of color with those other bags. And I know that you can get genuine leather cleaner or anything with those, but just wasn't my feel. So this is the bag in itself. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys think I'm gonna get another handbag soon. Stay tuned for some videos coming soon. Your girl is traveling in the next few months, so definitely some weekend vlogs to go on some few girls trips and lots of other things coming, some more makeup reviews. Thank you guys as always for supporting my channel. I'll talk to you guys soon. Stay blessed. Bye.